mGreens is an IoT-based solution that enables the monitoring and control of crucial aspects of a plant's growth. It provides devices that log real-time temperature, humidity, and moisture of plants, and also have actuation components that can be automated to make sure plants always remain in ideal conditions. Users can preview important statistics of their greenhouse setups and control actuators down to the individual plant level. This is possible through seamlessly integrated cross-platform software applications that are always in sync with your plants.
We developed a serverless architecture that operates with the cloud environment. To ensure the visibility of your plants, mGreens transmits the plant's data to our central database, where information is organized and sorted. After meticulous assessments against specific criteria, we analyze the results, which are subsequently dispatched to end-user systems, including mobile and web platforms.
I tend to a small garden where I cultivate seasonal crops. This year, my focus was on a variety of spices as well as vegetables such as capsicum and cabbage. Recently, I discovered mGreens and it has proven to be a transformative addition to my gardening experience. This innovative tool enables me to closely monitor critical factors like temperature, humidity, and moisture levels for my plants. However, thanks to mGreens, I was able to save my crops from the scorching temperatures. Thank you, mGreens. If my plants could speak, they would say the same.